Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the POV. Today we are going to be doing a young little photo shoot of this beast. Let's see if we even remember how to take some photos. That's the real question over here. We're going to find out. So let's get a young let's twist that. Oh, listen, this thing is honestly just an absolute beast. So let's see if I can even overlay some of these photos. Ah, looks so good. Oh, it's starting to rain. Frick. That's never good. That is never good. Let's see if we can get a nice little bit of detail on here. So good, so good. I wonder if we'll be able to get this out. Okay, let's see if we can angle it in this section of the wall. Not too bad. Let's see. We have to get it underneath there. Oh, these wheels are crazy. Oh, facing the ground now. Let's see if we can get. Man, epic! It is epic. Just far so you can see the whole thing. I'm just going to turn it a bit. Oh, I like it. Okay, let's go in reverse. Let's see if we can pull this straight. I actually want to try something and move to the side, this side. Let's see how this looks, just so we can have more of an open background behind us. Boost, baba, boost. See if we can line up with the turning on. Okay, that should be pretty good. Not too bad, I think. Okay. Oh, right. Oh man. Wow, this thing looks so good. Okay, let's turn the lights on, because photos always look better when the lights are on. So let's turn the lights on. Turn the lights on. Turn the light. Oh, and we have a functional arrow that comes right under here and goes through by the wheel arch to help cool the brakes and the wheels. That is epic. That is a nice touch. Oh yeah, this is better. A bit better. A bit better. I wonder. Not too bad. Could be better though. Yeah, could be a little. Oh, let's see. There we go. That's all you want. There we go. Oh yeah. Done. There's the photo of the day. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we've gotten the photo of the day. We are done. Oh, that's so good. That is so solid. Even from the side might look quite nice. Purples? Nah, doesn't seem like it. It's very tame. Very tame. Man, this thing is so good. Let's see. It does. Oh, the carbon.
Oh, what's that? Forged carbon fiber there. Little. What's it?
Polystyrene, bro.
Oh, you lied.
What does it look like? It's polystyrene.
It looks like polystyrene, but not polystyrene.
It's part of like the crash stuff. Crash impact softening thing. How does it do? Okay, thanks. Oh yeah, that's much better. Oh, the lights, bro. Oh, what a doos. Keep forgetting the freaking lights. Turn the damn lights on. There we go. Alright, we did it, ladies and gentlemen. We did it. The damn lights on. Oh, this bra strap is tight, man. Shit. Oh yeah, she's looking clean as hell. Let's see if we can try and hide that terrible gate in the back. There we go. Photoshop my guy out there. Separation. Trying to think what else. There's some photos. Trying to think where else is a good place to go.